How do I disable Remember Me in Jenkins? Here's today's starting point. I have a Jenkins LTS controller, version 2.452.1. Now we're at the login screen on this controller. What we can see here is we have a checkbox, keep me signed in. Well, maybe from a security perspective, I don't want to give the people the ability to keep them signed in. Maybe I want to always force them to log in anytime they come back to a fresh browser. So how can I get rid of this checkbox? Let's go ahead and log in. I'm logging in as a user that has administrative privileges. If I go ahead and go over to Manage Jenkins, let's go down to the security section. And then near the top, you're going to see Disable Keep Me Signed In. If we take a look at the help, what we'll see is select this option to remove the Keep Me Signed In checkbox from the login screen. So that's what I want to do. So let's go ahead and check that box, click Save, and then let's go ahead and click on Logout. And what we'll see here is that checkbox has now been removed. So if we go ahead, log back in again, let's say we do want to go ahead and turn it back on for whatever reason. We can go back into Manage Jenkins, Security, and then uncheck the box, and then click Save. Finally, click on Logout, and we can see that the checkbox for keeping me signed in is now back available. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us on X at CloudBees. If this video was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to CloudBees TV yet, why not? Take a moment, click on that subscribe button, and then ring that bell, and you'll be notified anytime there's new content available on CloudBees TV. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.